With Thanksgiving only a few days away, we thought it would be fun to test out some sides. We have a few non-traditional Thanksgiving sides from families around the country. Are you ladies ready for this?
No.
Bring it on.
I'm a little scared.
Ready.
I'm not.
Eating them all.
Okay. So let's start with this. Interesting. The girls don't want to do this,
Can
so
you
I
please
said,
read the people
I
of the
think I'm
ingredients?
going to have to take one for the team on this and try this just for our
Let's
awesome
read them why
viewers.
the girls
However,
aren't going to do this one.
I'm getting there. Okay, ready? This is called Pear Salad. It's canned pears, mayo, cheddar cheese, a maraschino cherry, because that makes everything fancy, on iceberg lettuce.
You know what this is called? I forgot to bring my side to Thanksgiving dinner, so I'm going to put a bunch of stuff in my
It's
plate
a little
on a
scary,
plate.
but I'm going to do this for the sake of you, Outspoken, because I got your back and you got my back. And we're in this together. Here we go.
Show them. Oh, Lauren, you're so brave. I'm
right.
so proud of you.
I can do this, guys.
Cherry and mayonnaise
I'm a
going
Leo,
down
I
the
got this.
hatch. Oh, oh my word! I have chills. I have chill bumps. I'm chilling. I'm very uncomfortable. Don't do it.
Is it getting better?
Nope. We're gonna.
I would not recommend this pear salad. It looked nice,
I'm crying.
but it was the texture was off, the flavors weren't. It was.
It doesn't even look pretty.
I'm gonna say, if you eat this, this is fantastic. But for people that don't want to eat things like this, I wouldn't put your tongue or taste buds through that.
I am going to try something that is called pineapple casserole. Canned pineapple chunks, sugar. Okay, those are good. Cheddar cheese, maybe not so great, and crumbled cracker topping.
We're gonna try it with you, Jean.
Wow.
Hey,
We're
I think we're going to say nothing
And when
could be
I
that
say
bad.
we, I mean Lauren. But Lauren's gonna try it.
I
Okay.
don't want to do it.
We are with you. Go ahead, Lauren. We are with you.
I'm trying to get the best chunk possible, but I don't.
Here's the sad part. It smells so sugary, but I see cheese.
I don't mind it.
Really?
It's surprisingly not bad. It's not great, but it's not bad. I could do without the cheese. There's a bit of an aftertaste,
It's the cheese.
but it's not horrible.
It's not
the cheese
horrible.
is it's
Brittany,
odd.
that's not even a
This is a
bite.
bite. This is the Brittany bite.
It's not bad though. It's surprising.
No,
it's
it's
just
not.
has
It's not that
an
bad.
odd combination. I mean, this was just miserable, but this is not.
No, it's not terrible.
Bad.
Like, I see why people eat this. I would not maybe want to
Right.
bring a whole
But it's
tray,
right.
but I see why people eat it. She's amazing. Try it. It's not terrible. It's really
No,
not.
she's a very sensitive
I'm
palate.
very sensitive.
Do you hate it?
I don't hate it.
Okay,
I
so
hate it. No, I don't hate it.
It's not terrible.
Okay.
It's not great.
You know what? God bless you for making this for Thanksgiving. I'm sure your family loves it.
what is the top again?
I'm sure it's a delicacy.
What is that?
Crackers.
This is crackers with sugar.
Cracker topping. Crumbled cracker topping with butter.
It tastes sweet. Is it the pineapple that's doing that?
And the sugar.
It's a
there's
mystery
sugar.
ingredient.
But just sugar and cheddar cheese.
Yeah.
Not so sure about that.
Although, yeah.
What do you got?
I have corn spoon bread. This guy.
I wonder
right
why
here.
it's
And
I feel
it
like this
is.
is going to be good.
I think it's going to be a cornbread muffin mix,
okay.
canned cream corn,
Okay.
can of whole corn, butter, sour cream, eggs, and salt.
Okay. I'm
Ready?
going for this.
Yeah.
I like that.
Am I going to like it?
I don't
Good.
love it.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. No, it's not bad at all.
That tasted the most Thanksgiving
Yes, I agree.
so far. But I like, do you like, or you like corn? No, but you don't like anything though. So this is not anything new.
Brittany thought she was picking the best one.
It's good.
All right, what do we have next? It was me again.
Whew.
Okay. This is our very own Stephanie's family recipe, and this one actually does not look bad at all. They call it pink stuff,
Pink stuff.
aka cranberry mousse, and it's cranberry juice, cranberry sauce, raspberry jello, and
Okay.
whipped cream.
Okay.
This looks good, actually.
Not bad at all.
Not bad. Tart, but not bad.
That's good. Mm-hmm. Not bad.
I like that.
Okay, that's 1 out of.
Yep, I like that one. Way to go, Steph.
Yeah,
That was a good
that's
one.
actually a good one.
That's very good.
Okay, so one of my favorite
Pink
things
stuff.
to make that I
Pink
just
stuff.
discovered how easy it is homemade cranberry sauce. And when I heard homemade cranberry sauce, I wanted to run under my covers and cry because it sounds so hard. But really, it's just cranberries on the stove until they pop, add sugar and orange juice, and it's
Oh, my word.
the most
Delish.
delectable
So
thing.
good.
It's amazing. And if you do it clean with organic orange juice and sugar, it's fantastic for you as well. It's a little added bonus in there.
Very good.
So that's one of my new favorites to make at Thanksgiving.
Wow, I do love all things Thanksgiving tradition, but mayonnaise and pears, I'm sorry.
that's
You
still
don't make
not
the
sitting
cut.
right.
You
No.
do not make the cut. Make sure to follow us on Instagram at outspoken.tv and tell us what out-of-the-box sides you have on Thanksgiving.
Thanks for watching. For this and more, make sure you tune into Outspoken on Monday nights at 8/7 Central on FISM.tv. And remember, you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our FISM TV YouTube channel for more videos just like this.